In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly swap two rows in Google Sheets so you can organize your data faster and cleaner. Make sure to subscribe for more simple tips. Start by locating the two rows you want to swap. Instead of clicking inside a cell, click directly on the row numbers on the left side. This selects the entire row, which is important to avoid breaking your data alignment. Now, click and hold the row number of the row you want to move. While holding your mouse, drag the row up or down. As you move it, you'll see a bold horizontal line appear. This shows exactly where the row will be placed. Drag it to the position of the other row and release. Google Sheets will instantly move the row and shift everything else accordingly. That's your swap done in seconds. If you want a more controlled method, you can also right-click the row, cut it, then right-click the destination row and choose Insert Cut Cells. This ensures a precise swap without dragging. If something goes wrong, just press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again. That's it, no complicated formulas, just a simple drag and drop or cut and insert method to rearrange your rows easily. Drop a comment if you want more Google Sheets tricks and subscribe for more tutorials.